Hey, what's up guys, this is Satej. Just like most companies, Lenovo has presented a new lineup called Lenovo Z6. This lineup has 3 smartphones and it goes something like this. Lenovo Z6 Youth Edition, which is the base model with Snapdragon 710 SoC, Lenovo Z6 Standard model, which we are going to talk about in this video, and finally the Lenovo Z6 Pro, which is a flagship smartphone with Snapdragon 855 chipset. Out of these 3 phones, 2 have already been launched in China, which I think you already know. And Lenovo Z6 will soon be launched, but before that company released few of its features. So do you want to know what it packs? Stay tuned, we will start right after this. Recently, Lenovo Group Vice President Chang Cheng teased some of the features of the upcoming Lenovo Z6 phone. He revealed that the phone will come powered by a powerful processor, and now it has been confirmed by the company that the phone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 chipset. And this phone will be in direct competition with Redmi K20, as this phone features the same processor. But what about the rest of the specs? Yeah, we are going to see that right now. Starting off with the display, Lenovo Z6 will feature a 6.3-inch display which will be AMOLED, and we will likely have a water drop notch housing the front-facing camera. The water drop notch, even though has a smaller footprint, it's a disappointment. The Redmi K20 will go all out without any notch, so that is something Lenovo Z6 has to look out for. Even the Z6 Pro has a notch, which is a flagship device. Really, what are you thinking, Lenovo? It is said to feature Sony AI triple camera setup with primary sensor being 48 megapixel, along with that an 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel lens, for which we don't have any information. On the front, it's said to feature a 16 megapixel lens. Lenovo Z6 is also marketing some of the Snapdragon 730's feature like AI, Game Turbo, 8nm manufacturing process to grab the attention. It comes with a massive 4000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging and USB Type-C support. There will also be 3.5mm audio jack, and it will probably come with an on-screen fingerprint sensor. And this will also come in 2 color options, red and green. Looking at the overall package, it looks good, but finally the pricing will decide whether they will stay in the market. Currently there is no information on pricing, as this is not even launched in China, but I think it will be close to 20,000 Indian rupees. With that, we are at the end of this video. Do subscribe and like. See you next time. Peace out.